social media is no longer optional. It's a necessity for businesses today. If you're a small business owner and you haven't started posting on social media yet, this video is for you. So let me break this down and get you started right away. You might be wondering, if social media is a necessity, which social media platform should I focus on? And why? Many business owners feel overwhelmed by the numbers of platforms available. But the truth is, you don't need to be everywhere. You just need to be where your audience are. Let me walk you through step-by-step processes to help you confidently start promoting your business online. Step 1. Create a marketing plan. The first thing you need is a marketing plan. This plan outlines your goals, mission, and vision for your business. It's your roadmap to success. But don't worry, I'll be creating a video to guide you on how to draft a marketing plan. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Step 2. Develop a social media marketing strategy. Once your marketing plan is in place, it is time to create a social media marketing strategy. This strategy will answer key questions like, why are you promoting your product or services? Or where should you promote them? Where should you post them? I'll also be making a video on this topic, so stay updated and stay tuned. Step 3. Choose the right platform. Now comes the big question. Which platform should I focus on? Let me break down 6 major social media platforms to help you decide on which platform to post on. Number 1, Facebook. This houses over 3 billion users with 500 million active users daily. The audience that can be found here are family, the millennials, and baby boomers. This age brackets 29 and above. But this platform is great for building trust and engagement because people use it to share personal moments and memories. It's also perfect for reaching decision makers who act quickly. You can also use Facebook to foster relationships and stay top of mind if most of your audience are found here. Number 2, Instagram. This is popular among the Gen Z, millennials, and even baby boomers. The age brackets here are 22 and above. This platform is known for its focus on visuals and video content, which is popularly known as Reels. It's easier to engage with followers directly through their stories and DMs. But the challenge here is, growing your followers can be so tough, but once you do, you can generate high quality leads. Moving forward. Number 3, TikTok. As you all know, TikTok is a fast-growing platform, especially for video content. The audience that can be found here are primarily Gen Zs and Gen Alpha. The age brackets here are between 18 to 24 years. Though this is expanding, but the content that thrives here are authentic, relatable, and entertaining content. If TikTok is what you want to use, your brand should be fun, creative, or appealing to a younger audience. Number 4, LinkedIn. A professional platform where businesses seek for serious business connection. But the audience found here are professionals looking for job, clients, or industry inspiration, and is highly recommended for B2B businesses or if your clients are all professionals. But the content that thrives here are value-packed content to establish authority and track decision makers. Number 5, Twitter. Twitter is very competitive and fast-paced. The audience you can find here are people who engage on trendy topics or even news. Be careful, it can be so tough to grow on Twitter. And if you want to use Twitter, you have to be ready to keep up with their trends and handle challenges. Number 6, YouTube, the second largest search engine in the world. The audience you can find here are people seeking for educational or problem-solving content. It's known as a school where users learn new skills for free. But the content that thrives here are tutorials or videos that position your product or services as a solution to your audience needs. With these 6 platforms in your mind, think about where your ideal customers spend their time and focus your energy there. You don't need to be on every platform, just the ones that align with your business goals and audience. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe on this channel and click the notification bell so that you never miss out on any value-packed content like this.